How to see who follows someone else's playlist on Spotify. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I will show you how you can see who follows your playlist on Spotify, so make sure to watch this video till the end. So in order to find out who follows your playlist on Spotify, you have to understand one thing. Spotify does not let the own creator of the playlist find out who follows the playlist aside from the number of people that follows the playlist, so let alone seeing someone else's playlist followers. So it's just like you're asking how you can view the private photos of some Instagram private pictures and some of their Instagram private profiles. So that's not how it works in Spotify. At least on Instagram, when you follow some that person and they're requested, then you'll be able to go ahead and see all of their private photos and stuff. But then on Spotify, that's not how it's going to work. Or even as an artist, you will not be able to find out who follows your own playlist, then let alone, as I said earlier, how you can find out someone else's playlist. But I'll show you how you can see the number of likes on that playlist and some of the things that you can do. So for that, I'll just go ahead and then open up Spotify, and then once you open up Spotify, you'll be able to see this kind of interface. Now if you want to see who follows your own playlist, you would need to come to your profile tab. You would need to go ahead and then click on that specific playlist. If that playlist is a public playlist, then you'll be able to see the number of followers right on this case. But if it's someone else's playlist, let's say for example, so you just go ahead and listen to someone else's playlist over here, you'll only be able to see a number of likes on that specific playlist, but you'll not be able to go ahead and then actually see who follows that specific playlist. As you can see over here, there's no option to follow it as an artist as well. But hope this video answered the question. As I said earlier, Spotify alone does not let the own person see who follows their own playlist, so let alone speak about someone else's playlist followers. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.